Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. Wishing you all a very happy Poila Boishakh, Happy New Year and Shubho Nabobarsho. So today's video is a makeup tutorial again, especially for Poila Boishakh. So let's get started. Okay, so I have done with the CTM process already. I have applied a lip balm as well, and my skin is now ready for makeup. Okay, so first thing what I'll be using is a strobe cream from MAC. This is a free sample what I've got from MAC when I purchased a lot of things. Do you see that glow? Okay, the next step is primer, and it is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. So this is a sample what I have got. Okay, when I purchased too many things from Lakme, they have given me samples of primer and the foundation. So I have already used this primer, and believe me, it is really very good. It gives you that pink tint when you are applying the primer itself. Okay, so I'll be using it today. And the next step is the foundation. Again, for foundation, I'll be using the sample. I'll be putting up which foundation is it exactly. And this is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. So let's see how's the coverage. I've already used it. In fact, it's good. Okay, let's see. Okay, luckily I have got my shade itself. Okay, so we are done with the foundation, and you can see it has given a good coverage. Okay, and next step is the concealer. So I'll be taking the Wet n Wild concealer in the shade it's medium beige. Okay, a very little amount of it. Okay, so we are done with the concealer now. So let's set the concealer and the foundation. So for that, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me. It's their loose finishing powder in the shade 15. I'll be using it. So let's first blend the under eye once again, and then place the loose powder. And then we will set the foundation. I'll be using a powder brush again. If you have a compact puff, you can use that as well. You have to set your neck as well. Okay, next I'll be doing the eye makeup, and for eye makeup I'll be using two palettes today, and both the palettes are from Makeup Revolution itself. Makeup Revolution has good eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so I'll be using this one. This is the Rose Gold Chocolate palette which I've used in the earlier video, and this is the other one which has all kind of glitter eyeshadows in it. Okay, so today I am wearing this yellow and red kind of a combination thing. So I have planned an eye look that, you know, the base has to be dark brown, and on top of it something with yellow or glitter, something with gold shimmer, something like that. So let's start. Okay, I have already blended the eyeshadow perfectly, and the next one I'll be using is this shade. You can see this matches, so I'll be taking this and spreading it all over the lid. Okay. Okay, so today I will not be doing a winged liner. In fact, I'll be smudging out the liner. So for that, I'll be using this Color Bar Kajal, which has a smudger behind. So this will be helpful for smudging out the eyeliner. So let's start. Next we'll be doing the eyebrows, and for eyebrow I will be using any dark eyeshadow from an eyeshadow palette. So any of the dark shade. Okay, same with a spoolie and a angular brush. Next, I'll be using this Nykaa pencil in the shade Teal Spell 02. So I'll be using this color for my kajal today for a different look. Let's see how it turns out to be. So we are done with the kajal and you can see how beautiful it looks. Okay, and we are going to smudge it out a little. Okay, now I'll be contouring my face, and for that I'll be using the Wet n Wild contour palette. Okay, so this is how it looks. As you can see, I have used it totally. Here comes the banana powder which I have used already. So I'll be using my contour brush. Okay. Okay, the next step is a blusher, and for that I'll be using this Calabar palette. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is their Glitter Me All Chic and Shine kit. I don't know if this is still there available or not. If it is, then I shall put the link in the description box below. So for now I will be using the blush brush. Okay, even this is from Calabar. Okay, so I'll be taking this. Actually this is the blush and the highlighter palette. Okay, so I'll be taking the blush, very pigmented. Okay, so for the highlighter also I'll be using the same palette from the Calabar. Okay, this is the highlighter. Can you just see? Okay, the next one is the mascara. Again, I'll be using the Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara from the brand L'Oreal. Okay. The next step is a lipstick, and for that I'll be using a lip liner. This is from L'Oreal, and the lipstick I showed you before, the Stay Quirky one. Next is the bindi. And then fixing your makeup. Let it dry. So next is the sindoor, the last step. For that I'll be using again from the color bar. Okay. Okay, so I will get ready and get back. So here is the complete look, guys. You can just see the close-up. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you, and if it is helpful to you, then do share it with your friends and family, and do recreate this look and tag me on my Instagram handle, and do subscribe to my channel. Keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.